Welcome to how to earn free gifts tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to earn free gifts and Temu. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to open the Temu app, then click on the U icon or your profile icon, then click on earn credits and free gifts. From here you will have a lot of options to get free gifts. So the options that I have now is to redeem coins and free items. I will click on free items. Then from here you will have the options to select 3 items to earn as gifts. And then you can choose your gifts. I will choose this one. And this is the second one. And this is the third gift. After that, confirm your address, and then from here they will tell you the discount that you have. You can pick a code. So this is the first discount that I got. Then to get the full gifts for free, you need to share the app to get these gifts. So click on invite new app users, and from here you will have a lot of ways to share the app. You can share it via link, code, or any other app like WhatsApp, Messenger, or Facebook. So if you have a lot of friends or family that haven't downloaded Temu yet, you can share the app with them and you will get the gifts for free. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.